Okay, so I'm going to do a test. Make sure that the motor goes clockwise. So from the left it spins to the right, and that's what you want. Excellent. If it goes the other way, the wrong way, you've got to change the wiring. If it's going the wrong way, this is what you have to do. Swap the yellow and grey around. That makes sense?
I'm inspired by thirst, inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first.